The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla! Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. But there you are again, big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I want to talk to you about some videos that I saw circulating on social media. First things first. I saw many videos circulating on social media about a big protest that happened within the country that is known as Cuba. It is said that thousands of citizens within the country of Cuba took to the streets and protested on the 11th of July the year 2021 within the country that is known as Cuba. It is said that citizens within the country of Cuba protested from Havana and other places within the country of Cuba. See? It is said that citizens within the country of Cuba are crying for freedom. And it is said that citizens within the country of Cuba are upset about the failing economy within the country of Cuba and other things as well. See? Now I also got the understanding that the United States of America president, who goes by the name of Joe Biden, responded to the protest that happened within the country of Cuba. See? And according to the information that I got about the things that he said, I got the understanding that he's trying to let government officials within the country of Cuba know that they should listen to their people and try to address the needs of the people within Cuba. See? I saw a video that shows when civilians and police clash within Cuba. I saw a video that shows citizens from within the country of Cuba throwing objects at a police vehicle that was in motion. Viewers and subscribers, and I always hear people talk about Cuba, you know, and we hear some people talk about Cuba from I'm a little boy until I'm a big man. It would seem as if most of those people implied that Cuba is the kind of place where you can do certain things. See me? Yeah, so, you know, to hear about this protest, it makes me start to wonder if some of the things that have been said about Cuba, if it is true. You see me? But anyways, we just want to make you know about that incident or about that whole thing, where it said that a big protest happened within the country of Cuba on the 11th of July the year 2021. Yeah, it is said that the people are crying for freedom and that they are upset about the failing economy within the country of Cuba. See? So, I'm going to leave that one there. So. Anyways, now my people, I saw a video circulating on social media that shows a female in a party on top of a table, see? And you know, this video is being talked about on social media because of what the female had done. The female can be seen on top of the table in the video, and she somewhat jumped and landed on the table, and the table come crashing down. She broke the table. Yeah, this video shows quite a number of people and the female at a party somewhere within the country of Jamaica. I do not know when the video be recorded, you see me? And before I present this video to you, I want to say this to each and everyone: do not try this at home. Do not try this at home. Do not try it at all. It is dangerous. The reason why I present the video to you is because the video is being talked about on social media. You can also let me know what you think about the video as well, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe.
People, it's over. It's over. It's over. Yo, find back the next table. Replay. Replay. Find back the next table. Yo, you catch that? You see if you don't catch that, I'll be a box. You say anybody we have their phone and don't catch that, I'll be a box. That bomb buckler. Yo, play some song, my boss.
You know my people, I'm not telling a lie, you know. So when it comes down to Jamaica party, some things I see some of the patrons them do in some of the Jamaica party them, you know. Highly dangerous, you know. Yeah man, highly dangerous man. I'm glad she alright, you know. Believe me, I'm glad she alright, and I wouldn't recommend she ever do something like that again. Straight up and down, you see me? Big her up. It was entertaining, but Not do it again, man. Not do it again. Anyways, now I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video will be recorded within a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I do not know when the video will be recorded. But this video is about a man complaining about motor vehicles parked in his yard according to the things that have been said in the video. You see, some places on social media it is said that the man is complaining about some things that his neighbor or neighbors had done. You see me? Basically, he's complaining about what they're doing, like drinking and so on, at that time when the video had been recorded. See, my people, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me what you think, because some of the comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the man who you can hear talking in this video should leave those people alone. And some of the comments that have been made on social media gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the man have a right to talk if something is bothering him or if something is offending him or something like that. So I say, comments have been made on social media about the video. Let me know what you think about this video. Alright, so here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Good afternoon, people. This blessed Monday evening, here was my question. I stand up in my yard. This is my grandmother's place here. I live in downstairs there. This my uncle little parlor here. Somebody can tell me where all these cars doing park in my yard, going straight down towards the neighbor house. It's a listen good, there's Justin. The partying over there. There's Justin and partying over there. Everybody in the house there. No social distancing, no mask, no nothing. They're drinking alcohol, the liming. My family here. If an ambulance had to come for my grandmother, something, God forbid, something is to happen to my grandmother or one of my family, and an ambulance had to come inside to pick them up, how they coming and doing this? How they doing this? How they doing this? Eh? And Mr. Curtis, because he have family in police and army or retired police or whatever, feel that they can do people what they want. This video is going on social media. I want people to see. I want people to see. I want people to see this chippiness. These people that be encouraging. I want people to see. I want people to see if an ambulance have to come in here to do something or to see what somebody in some one of these places here. This individual block up the whole track, the whole road, park up party and zesting down in the back day. Gary Griffith, I hope you could see this. I hope this video get to you. Do something about it. This is... Look the church. I don't know if you could see it. Look the church right on top of the hill there. Something has to be done about these people.
Jano, my people, you see, if you have a problem with something that your neighbor had done, let them know, you know. Try and talk to your neighbor. But then again, you have some neighbors who you just can't talk to. You see it? So that's another thing again too, you know. Look, at time for people live good, you know. And live good time. I be bad things that happen all over the world, you see me? So I just time for people live good so that we can get rid of all of the evil of the world and all these things. You see me? We don't want no more fuss and fight, you see? You can let me know what you think about that video.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, skilla. You are watching Dancehall skilla. Tin.